Mint is that plant that you always want to have handy, as it has abundant source of menthol and has very strong antibacterial properties. Hello luxurians, welcome back to the family. It's your girl Honoria with yet another interesting video of how I harvest, wash, dry and grind my mint or peppermint so as to conveniently and easily incorporate it into my skincare DIY recipes. So if you're on my channel for the first time, please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So right now I have 4 trays of mint. They are drying so beautifully, as you can see. So after they dried up, I put them in these plastic zip bags that I got from IKEA. And right now I'm just going to blend them using my food processor. So after that, I'm going to sieve the mints so I can take out the big chunks or the big pieces. And also please do not forget to disinfect your blender before you blend your mint, because you're going to be using this to do your body lotion. You don't want bacteria growing in your lotion or your scrub. Again, you want to make sure you wash your mints before you dry them, because when they're dried, it's going to be very almost impossible for you to wash them again. To wash our mint, because we need to take away the bugs and the dust and the insects and all those things. You know, you don't want to be blending bugs in your mint, you know, because if you're going to be using this to do your lotion, your body lotion, or you're going to be using it in your body scrub, you know, you don't want to be scrubbing your skin or rubbing your skin with some bugs. Maybe it's good for the body, but I don't know yet. I don't know about that. I haven't read anything about bugs in lotion or bugs on the body, but I don't think it sounds good in the ears. It sounds really gross. So yeah, you want to make sure you wash your mints so as to keep it clean and no contamination whatsoever on your skin, because this mint is going to be used solely for body scrub, face pack, body lotion, and exfoliating body soaps. You can also make a face pack using powdered mint or what we've just made today, including honey and some rose water, and then you apply that on your face. You can leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it out with cold water. Doing this twice a week will give you clear skin and will help tighten your pores. You can see we don't have a smooth consistency after grinding our mint, so it's best or advisable to sieve that out. You can leave it as well if you're just going to do your body scrub or you're just going to do a body exfoliating soap. So it's okay to use it straight up. Mint is that plant that you always want to have handy, as it has abundant source of menthol and has very strong antibacterial properties. It is often used in cleansers, toners, moisturizers, lotions, body scrub, face scrub. I mean, it's kind of a do-it-all product. So it helps to treat acne, soothes mosquito bites. It gives relief to itchy skin and other skin irritations. So yeah, you want to have that handy all the time. We have now come to the end of our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be so glad to see you in the next one. Bye. Love you all.